Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a Klipsch Gig XL wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. You're going to want to do this factory reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working for any reason, like it's not connecting to your phone or other device, or it's not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth. A factory reset will fix a lot of these issues. Now, the second reason you might want to do this is just for whatever reason where you want to delete the pairing history, clear the settings off of this speaker so you can go ahead and set it up like it's a brand new speaker. We can go ahead and do this quite simply. First of all, it should not be connected to anything when this happens. So if you need to unpair it from any Bluetooth devices that you've got it paired with or anything like that, and go ahead and delete them off of there because you'll need to set this up as a new speaker anyways. So with it not connected to anything, we're just going to press and hold this light button right here for 8 to 10 seconds until we hear the speaker announce the software version or the firmware version. It'll say like XX version. And while it's doing that, while it's making that announcement, we're just going to come over and hit the play button. And once we hit the play button, while it's announcing the version, that will cause it to factory reset. So if it has worked, it will go ahead and turn off once it does the reset. And then we can go ahead and turn it back on and set it up like a brand new speaker.